Believe me, you have not seen this video yet. Forget the fake promises of overnight riches. The secret hidden earning method from VO3 is real, and it's the strategy smart creators in the US are starting to use. VO3 isn't about chasing viral fame. It's about unlocking hidden earning streams through micro-content distribution. The secret is stacking small wins, short clips, repurposed content, and layered monetization until they snowball into serious income. Create short, punchy clips, tutorials, reviews, or quick hacks that solve everyday problems. US audiences love fast answers, and VO3 rewards creators who deliver them consistently. Repurpose those clips everywhere: VO3, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Each platform becomes a funnel, pulling viewers back to your main offer. Stack your monetization: affiliate links, digital downloads, micro-subscriptions. The hidden trick? Layering small earnings until they compound into real cash flow. So remember, nobody can make you rich instantly, but the secret, hidden method of VO3 is about building multiple small streams that grow into lasting income. Subscribe now before this strategy explodes across the US.